Hello everybody, it is Jason with the Chill Lake Talk Show. Apparently there is reports of green guys causing, a guy in green causing panic? Why are we getting this? Why is this on the air? Why are people talking about this? This isn't chill, this is dangerous. You know what? I think we need to have a talk, guys, after this part. Whoever's on that, thank you for letting me know, because this could be a possibility that this is a very dangerous situation, and it might happen any second now. I might see him at the window any second now. But for now, this is not chill. This is very dangerous.
(911) telephone outage for all of North and South Carolina, New York, New Jersey, Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Washington. At 11:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, reports of a man in green with radioactive particles flying around him have been flooding the, therefore making 911 unavailable in these states. If you see this strange teenager, call this number instead, 647-092-1428. Repeating, 911 telephone outage for all of North and South Carolina, New York, New Jersey, Texas, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Washington. The National Chaos Station was ordered an immediate shelter-in-place warning. This is not a drill. 2 dangerous individuals have been spotted. One has black hair with pink tips, pink eyes, is female, wearing a pink and black dress, and has a pink radiation symbol on her arm, and is named Miss Radioactive. The other one has brown hair with a green streak, has brown eyes, wearing a green hoodie, has green and brown fangs and also has a radiation symbol on his arm except it's green, and is named Lucien LINDNER. Do not go outside. Hide where you are. Do not speak. Further instructions will be gathered.
Message from DCC Dual Chaoticity Center. Dual radioactivity warning. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 6:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, mass chaos was reported to have been breaking out in the street. Smoke clouds are also appearing throughout 20 feet off the ground. They are either green or pink. There has also been reports of objects turning the colors of the smoke clouds. There are 2 individuals who are suspects of the mass casualties. One had black hair with pink tips, pink eyes, wearing a pink and black dress, is female, and goes by the name Miss Radioactive. And the other person was seen with brown hair with a green strand, brown eyes, wearing a green hoodie, is male, and goes by the name Lucien Ninja. Take cover now as we are killing. Hi. Running is useless. They will find and kill you unless you bow down or hide so they can't find you. No. Don't shut down the program. Leave me alone, please. I don't want to die.
We will find you. It is useless to run. It is useless to hide. Just bow down to your true rules. If we're going down, we might as well with everything.
Is emergency action termination. Important details will follow. The chaos is over. The threat is gone. I repeat, the threat is gone. They have disappeared into thin air. Mass devastation, especially in Washington state, is to be expected. Do not go out of your shelters for any reason. They could still be out there. Please wait for the all clear. Until further notice, DCC, aka Dual Chaotivity Center, requires you to stay calm, stay hidden, and stay prepared. Now returning to radio station K225, 61.29 Rock Radio, EAS Plus, and 300 other channels.
That's me, and I just want to say thank you for watching until this point. It really means a lot to me, and also I couldn't have done this EAS scenario without you guys. You guys are amazing. If you watch this point, you're a legend by my book. Also, I just want to say thank you for 40 plus subscribers on my main account. Link in the description. Also, I absolutely love you guys for watching until this point. It's an honor. It's your honor. You guys are legends for watching until this point. Even though in the live chat I might have said wait until this point because something special is gonna happen, and this is special. So you guys get to hear me after a long EAS scenario. Based on I want to credit Radioactive Girl 00 for the Miss Radioactive laugh. I took it on my part, but I'm crediting her because why not? I don't want to be a copyright thief. Anyways, I'm honestly shocked that you watched until this point, because normally people would automatically go to the next part, but you guys are different, and I like that about you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and turn that notification bell on. Let's go, boys! Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!